Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and I've got here another one of those products that I could have sworn I'd already reviewed, but I haven't. So here we go with beef stew in a rich gravy in a can. £1.84. Full price was, I think it's something like £2.40-ish. Yeah, it's on offer at the moment, £1.84. And it says, succulent beef with vegetables, perfect with soft dumplings or crusty buttered bread. Well, I'm not one to take advice from a tin can, so I'm not having it with soft dumplings or crusty buttered bread. I'm going to have it with Aunt Bessie's Roasties. Here we go. And Asda Yorkshire puddings. Because I've only got a few of these roasties left, just enough for one meal. I mean, both of these bags have been opened, as you can probably tell. There's the pigs there. So, yeah, I'll do the rest of the roasties, probably a couple of Yorkshires. Anyway, let me tell you more about the beef stew. High in protein. And there's your traffic lights, which don't look too bad at all, to be honest. You've got 3 greens and 1 amber. The amber is the salt, because the salt contains 20% of your recommended daily intake of salt. So still not too bad. Right, 392 grams. Beef pieces with carrots, potatoes and peas in gravy. Beef 30%. Yes, that's what I love about these tinned meals. Quite often you get a huge amount of meat in them. And yeah, 30% beef. Then you've got mixed vegetables, 27%, which is carrots, peas and onions. You've also got potatoes and other things, but nothing really nasty looking. In fact, it also says no artificial colours, flavours or hydrogenated fat, which is all good. We suggest this product provides 2 servings. Ha! You know I don't take advice from tin cans, don't you? Okay, packed in the UK with beef from the UK. Good, good. You can heat this on the hob or in the microwave. I haven't decided which way I'm going to do it yet, to be honest. I thought I was going to do it in the microwave, but now I'm thinking about it, I might do it on the hob. I mean, it takes 2.5 minutes in the microwave, 3 to 4 minutes on the hob. Obviously, it'll take a little bit longer than that on the hob because I've got an electric hob, so an old-fashioned one, so it needs to heat up. But even so, it's not going to take long, is it? But I'm still undecided. I will let you know anyway. Okay. Yeah, nothing else on there I can tell you, I don't think. There we go, beef stew. I will get it all prepared and we'll give it a try. Right, I've decided. This is a traditional sort of old-fashioned type meal, isn't it? So I'm going to do it on the hob, the traditional old-fashioned way. And because I'm doing that, I'm going to do the potatoes and the Yorkshires in the oven, not the air fryer. So, yep, I'm going old school with this one. Whether it will make any difference to the taste, texture or anything, I don't know. But that's what I'm doing. Right, and here we go. And I've got rather a heavy plate of food here, which I can't tip up too much because I'm afraid of it falling off the edge of the plate. Right, first observations are, there doesn't appear to be anywhere near as much beef as I was expecting. Nowhere near as much veg as I was expecting, considering it said, what did it say, 20... 27% veg. And it didn't specify the percentage of potatoes, so I assumed there wouldn't be many in this stew at all. But there's quite a few. And I've got quite a few roasties here to go with it. So I've got a bit of a potato fest going on, I think. Okay. Right. So where's the beef? Where's the beef? I mean, I can see some of it. But, okay, let's try that bit. Asda beef stew. That wasn't the best. Had a little bit of fat on the edge of it. Right, the gravy. Oh, I've got another bit of beef there. Let's have that as well. That beef was better. Definitely a lot better. Strange, isn't it? Have you noticed how sometimes lately my first try of something isn't great, but as I eat it, my opinion tends to change. Okay, I've got some veg here, carrots, potatoes, a pea. Again, not sure where the onions have gone. Might be some in here. Potatoes are a little bit soft, but they're fine. It has got quite a lot of salt in it. I've got my salt and pepper here, but I definitely don't need it. Let's have another spoonful. The peas are extremely soft. I mean, I can, if I just squish one under my spoon, I can turn them into mushy peas. I'm not keen on mushy peas. It's got a good beefy taste overall. Right, there's a big old bit of beef here, which looks a bit dubious, to be honest. Let's get that bit of potato off it. Yeah, it's definitely got a bit of a wobbly bit on it. Okay. That bit of beef was horrible. I had to spit it out. It was disgusting. It was all fatty and wobbly and disgusting. Okay, one more spoonful and then I will go down. I'll go and sit down and eat the rest of this. That beef wasn't great. Oh dear. Well, so far, this Asda beef stew in a rich gravy, there it is, hasn't impressed me very much. I think I'm going to enjoy the potatoes and the Yorkshire puddings more than I'm enjoying the stew. Yeah. Not one to recommend. Definitely not one to recommend. What I'll do, which I quite often do now, I'll drop a comment and pin a comment down below on the overall quality of the rest of the beef in this. but it's just left a bad impression. I was going to say it's left a sour taste in my mouth, but which is a saying, isn't it? But no, it hasn't left a sour taste. But you know what I mean. Yeah. Oh dear. I'm really, really disappointed. Really disappointed. Let's have a bit of the roasty. They're good. Okay. Disappointed, disappointed, disappointed. Thanks for watching that one, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow at the usual time of 2 p.m.